Hey, this is Ellis with The Verge, checking out Mailbox, the highly anticipated new Gmail app for iPhone, launching for free on the App Store today. When you first open Mailbox, you'll immediately see your inbox. You have message previews, subjects in bold. The first thing you're going to want to look at is an actual conversation. And all conversations, all messages you've previously read are going to be grayed out and minimized into just little snippets, which makes it super easy to go through all your messages. If you want to blow one up and see the whole thing, you can tap on it. If you want to see the complete email, which includes all this garbage that Mailbox strips out, you can tap it one more time. What you can do from here is you can star an email right here. You can add this email to one of your labels. You can set this for later, go back to your inbox, archive it, or delete it. So let's respond to this email really quick, and you can kind of see the interface. It's really small, minimalist, and nice. It's kind of like a text message. You can change who you want to send the message to. It's really easy to add a photo, just like you kind of do on Twitter for iPhone. You just pop something right in there, and it works really nicely. So let's back out to the inbox and have a look at how you address messages. So you have a few options for addressing a message. The first thing you can do is archive something by dragging it this way. If you keep dragging, you can delete it. If you swipe this way, you can set something for later, and if you keep going further, you can mark it as a label. So it's a really easy way to address something on the fly. So let's go to the bread and butter of this app, which is mark something for later. So you can mark this as later today, this evening, tomorrow, this weekend, next week, in a month, someday, and you can even pick a date. And the cool thing is with these snoozes, Mailbox handle these on their servers. So if you're using a desktop mail client or desktop Gmail, those messages will pop back into that account at the same time. If you look at the top of the screen, you have the things you've marked to do later. So let's say we mark this for this weekend, and you hop up there. You can actually see chronologically when these things are going to pop back in your inbox. Let's have this one be for a month, and this one for someday. You hop back in there, and boom, it's chronologically organized, which is really nice. And if you go to archived up here, you can bounce something right back in your inbox if you want to, just by doing that. So let's open the drawer and see what's going on over there. This is your mailbox area. You can choose your separate inboxes for different accounts if you want to look at them independently. You can also see, once again, your later menu, your labels, archive, and trash and sent, which are consolidated among all your accounts, which some people won't like, but I personally don't mind. And then you also have the settings menu, where you can hop in, add email accounts. You can add up to 5 Gmail accounts right now. You can pick a default account. You can add a signature. You can alter your labels, which are called lists here. And Snoozes is the real cool thing here. So if you tap Snoozes here, you can actually modify when emails are popped back into your inbox. So let's say you mark something to pop back this weekend. You can say, well, when do I want my weekend to start? Or when do I want my workday to start? You could even have later today or someday, which you can modify. If you go even further down, you'll be happy to note that there are push notifications, unlike Sparrow, for both new messages and for snooze messages if you want to treat Mailbox like a to-do list. It also helps if you want to use the to-do list kind of paradigm for using this app. You can also have a badge represent how many new things you have in your inbox. There's a lot to love about Mailbox, but Gmail power users will miss a few things, like the ability to mark a few emails at the same time, the ability to mute something, which is a great Gmail feature. And we also miss the ability to look at one main starred menu of items, and also there's no mark as spam or consolidated spam area inside Mailbox, but we'd expect that to come sometime soon. Well, you can download Mailbox today. The company has a wait list. You can see inside the app that shows what place you hold in line. It's annoying, but guarantees the launch goes smoothly for company servers. After testing Mailbox for the last 2 months, I can honestly say it's helped increase my productivity, even without a Mac, iPad, and Android app, which the company says are in the works. Mailbox for iPhone really turns email into a more conversational and more useful experience.